The Plano ISD Industries Academy is a 2-year program open to high school juniors, starting with the 2020-2021 school year. Students will receive career-specific training and industry certifications while still in high school. Plano ISD, in partnership with Collin College, will be offering a variety of workforce dual credit instruction focusing on high-demand and high-wage fields such as advanced manufacturing, architecture and construction, and science, technology, engineering, and math. At the new Collin College Technical Campus, located at Alma and Ridgeview and Allen, students will be able to choose from the following programs: Biomedical Equipment Technology, Electronic Engineering Technology, and Industrial Automation within the advanced manufacturing field. In the architecture and construction field, students have the opportunity to choose computer-aided drafting and design, construction management, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, or welding technology. Finally, within science, technology, engineering, and math, students may participate in the computer networking program. Student selection is based on interest in an application. Once selected, students will attend both their Plano ISD Senior High School campus and the Collin College Technical Campus. Transportation is available. Tuition costs are $54 per credit hour. Credit hours will vary based on the specific program. Free tuition is available based on household income. Interested in applying or would like more information? Visit www.pisd.edu/industriesacademy or visit with your high school counselor. The multi-step application and interest survey process needs to be completed and submitted by April 3rd. Get a head start on your future at the Plano ISD Industries Academy at the Collin College Technical Campus.